Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm serving you some Bratz doll look, and let's get started. This is the picture I am mimicking today. I found this on Instagram. And we are going in with our coastal scent light purple color. I'm placing this in my crease, blending it out very nicely. I don't know what I'm looking at there, but I was looking at something, probably the picture actually. So you want to blend this really far out towards your eyebrows. I'm going to take my darker shimmery purple from my Morphe palette and adding that on top of the purple that I just placed. I didn't like the purple, the first purple I used, so I just used more Morphe instead. Now I'm taking my Tarte concealer and cutting my crease. This part takes a little bit of time, and if you've seen my previous videos, there's this little trick that I do by placing the concealer all the way at the top to kind of outline where you want to place your concealer. Ta-da! Now you just follow the outline. Now I'm going to take this pretty teal color and basically press it into the concealer. You don't want to swipe because then you'll smear the concealer. Oh, this is me very shocked at the color. You just want to dab it in very nicely. Right here I'm taking a pretty green color from my Coastal Scent palette, placing it in the corner of my eyes. And I'm taking Sex Kitten eyeliner. I did my cat eye eyeliner off camera because it just takes a long time, and now I'm taking this pen, Sex Kitten pen, to outline the top portion of this eyeshadow where the cut crease would be. I feel like this makes the Bratz eye look a little bit more animated, so this is why I did that. But then halfway through I switched to my other eyeliner, the felt tip one, because it was just, not the felt tip one, I forgot the name of it. It just feels much better with that other eyeliner. But basically you just draw it in towards the corner of your eyes, and then I add a little bit of blue on my lower lash line, and jumping back to the little cat eye. So to make your eyes look very animated like the Bratz, I'm going to draw this extra triangle in the inner corner of my eyes to make it look like an extended version of my eyeball, to make it bigger, a little bit more animated. And I'm going to drag it out towards the lower lash line. Taking my NYX Milk Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil, I'm going to place this on my waterline and precisely in that little corner with a brush that I did off camera. And now I'm going to take that blue and the green and placing it under that fake lash line we just created. Ta-da! Isn't that the prettiest green? And tell me what you guys think about this, but I created some fake lashes because I noticed the Bratz all have like 3 lower lashes on the bottom of their, it's so weird, but they just have 3. So I did the same thing, but I just made a few more than 3, maybe like 4 or 5, just to make it look more animated. Now I'm taking my Hoola bronzer and we're going to cut our nose. What we're going to do is to make 2 lines parallel to each other and then blend it out. The closer the lines look, the higher and the pointier your nose will look. So that's why my lines are super, super, super close. You want a doll-like nose, and this is how you do it. Then you want to blend it out. And then I took a clean brush and blended out this powder a little bit more because it looks way too dramatic. Way too fake. But hey, what am I talking about? Because I already have like a pound of makeup on. Whatever. Then what you want to do is contour your face. And the Bratz all have like very high cheekbones, I feel like. So you want to make yourself look like that. So I'm bringing this contour towards my temple and a little bit higher than it normally would be, so it looks like your face is very snatched, Then you want to blend it out. I'm just adding a lot on right here, you guys. Then you're going to take your Dior blush, pretty pink color, and placing it in the center apple parts of your cheek. You want to do it close as possible. You want to make sure your face looks localized and not spread out. So the closer everything is, the better. Now I'm going in with my Becca highlighter. This is Champagne Pop. Popping it wherever you feel like you want some highlight, which is my cheekbones, and also on my forehead, because I want my forehead to look plastic, and also my nose. Don't forget your nose, guys. And I placed a little bit on my chin too. So I went in with a little detailed brush. And now I'm taking Dolce by Kylie Jenner lip liner and overdrawing those popular Bratz lips. So I brought my upper lip point area a little bit more than normal, and then for the bottom I did the same thing. I brought my lip down a little bit more than it normally would be. Looks a little crazy, but it made the look pretty nice. This is Damn Gina by Kylie Jenner as well. Slapping this on so our gloss can be popping. Bring your lips together. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Kisses!